Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mark Roden, and we're back today with another 350Z video, and we're back with Ferguson, Missouri. Ferguson, Zachary St. Charles Church, and Ben. Damn it, he doesn't have a wise
Benjamin Franklin.
Benjamin Franklin. Anyway, guys, we're gonna be putting. I got a Nismo V2 style front bumper. I'll show you guys in a bit.
Fake.
It is fake. That's why I said style, and we're gonna put it on. All right, here's the grand reveal of the Nismo V2 bumper. I'm gonna put some cool montage music over. Actually, no, I'll just do it myself.
Yes.
There it is, boys. It actually does look really cool. I love it. It's gonna look good on the car. But the only problem with these bumpers is since it has those little things at the bottom that like flicker out, you know what I'm saying? It only really looks good if you have really good fitment. So until I get some new wheels, it's gonna look a little weird, but it's okay. Better than nothing. Also, another project that we have to do today, but it's not it's like 2 bolts, is taking this reservoir off because I just want to take it off before I put that on because I don't want that there anyway. It's just holding on weight, and also find out a way to strap my hood down without this strap being there. Because I'm not gonna be able to open my hood if we put a bumper on. That would suck. So, yay! I'm excited. Look at Chris, guys. Look at Chris is going to town on the interior, giving me a whole detailing service for free. What a gentleman! If you guys need some detailing done to your car, hit up CO Bodyworks. All right. Anyway, guys. Yeah. Christian OJ Bodyworks. Yeah, we have to drill a couple holes, but they have like the holes already imprinted in there, so it shouldn't be too hard. Then mount it. Shouldn't be hard. That does look good, man.
That needs some trimming.
That's gonna look sick, boys. Nismo V2 style. Also, I'm gonna fill up the oil real quick, guys, because we're a little bit low. We gotta get a drill because I need to drill holes into the bumper to make the bumper sit correctly. After like 30 minutes, we finally found the drill. So now they gave you already some pre-drill spots. So we just have to.
So then you just take the drill, just
Bop. How are you supposed to clip these ones on?
You go in from the bottom.
Starbucks K-pop. Are those gonna line up correctly? I think so.
So basically, to get it started, you just put it here.
No.
And now
Don't do that.
drill a hole in it.
Don't listen to this guy. He's gonna cause you to commit war crimes on your bumper. Okay, so yeah, all I gotta do is do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What? You're putting
All steady spaghetti. But we
putting
need
6 screws?
no, not screws. Clips. We gotta get clips too. That's another thing.
Do you have clips?
No. So we need to get them. That's why I'm
Let's
saying.
go.
Right now?
What else are we gonna do? Drill and then have to go back out and get clips?
Yeah.
So let's just go now, Mark. Now drill it.
Try. Zach is drilling. What a drill. Hit the By the way, we already drilled in small
It would've
little
been
holes
easier the
so
first
that
time.
the big one can just go easy.
It's what kind of bumper is this?
It's
What
made out
material?
of titanium. Actually, you
door on
know,
the
you know what they
mechanical.
hold in Wakanda?
Jesus.
AP1000 on my. Well, for in business. But now we have to go get the clips because Chris didn't bring them. Told him to. I said, Chris, you're a delivery driver for parts.
Oh
Where are
my
clips?
god, dude, there's already a spider web on your hood. Back.
He's right. Are you coming with me to get clips? Wow, what a hater.
yeah, let's go.
This is a wheel setup you need.
Yeah, dude, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Alright, go.
You want to drive?
Not really.
What? Dude, come on, drive.
I'll drive your car.
No, not my car. It's raining out. We're gonna slip and slide everywhere.
No, we're not.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! We're gonna do 360s down the road. Hey.
Get
Yeah.
out of my sandwich.
Yeah. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa! You're trying to break my whole car. Help me find you. This guy, ladies, if you need a man, hit him up. No, he's single.
I'm taken.
Taken by an Audi.
Nope.
Yeah, taken
By your mom.
No, hey, she's a nice lady. You wouldn't say that if you met her.
I have met her.
Liar.
I can't even say where I met her.
Be back soon. Get back quick.
He can't. His car's slow.
Yeah, that's a good point. Maybe he's like, oh, I gotta turn on my halos every time I drive.
Such a bummer.
Make sure I turn on my halos. Oh, nice. It's only making the most. All right. Well, we gotta go get some clips. We should also get some food while we're down there. So. We're at the AutoZone. We got the Nissan. Look at Chris is sitting on the ground. Hey, show them the mirror. Show them what they look like right now. You guys look so handsome. Oh my god. In the zone. AutoZone. You're out in the zone. And you got the Nissan plugs. These are for Chris's parts.
I got something for your car.
Oh boy. Get in the zone. Dude, that is so cool. Is that a quick release? Damn.
See?
I didn't know they sold NRG wheels. Oh, dude, this is really perfect for like people that drive pickup trucks. There you go, let's go.
For you.
Oh,
This
dude.
is for the big.
This is for Mini Cooper girls. Oh, this one's an actual quick release.
It's kind of drippy.
That is drippy. Is that real diamonds?
BBS. What else I got?
Are these KF wheels?
Yeah, bucket seats.
No way, dude.
Wait,
Sparkos. Those brides? Look at brides. Oh, wow. Oh, dude, sporty out. Oh, dude, you got the hot boy floor mats here. Why would you need that much like tread on floor mats? Are you slipping when you drive? You're like. Alrighty, so you got the bumper a little bit mounted. Zach is like going into Frankenstein mode and figuring out.
is built with bolts and intercooler hangers.
He's figuring out something because we bought clips, but they're too tiny to fit in the holes. So now we're gonna have to figure out another way to bolt it down.
Gun Bob.
Gun Bob SquarePants.
Spong Bob Young Boy.
Sponge Boy Young Bob.
It's right here. You're missing it.
Yeah, right? No.
This thing, okay?
Yeah.
I wanna go to Bikini Bottom.
Bikini bottom. Wait.
See, it's totally possible.
You know what I just thought about?
What?
How are you gonna tighten the register?
You don't tighten it. You just unhook it. Right?
Yeah, just unhook it.
It's gonna be like the Passat hood. You need a flat head.
Yeah, we gotta bring it that way a little bit somehow.
Powder coat your bumper.
Chris is being irresponsible. Alright, well now we lined it up. It looks good where it's lined up right now. The only problem is we need to find a bolt that can fit in there because the clips weren't working. I could see it.
No, don't hurt him. You need bitch smack him.
What? You need a front? Oh!
Shit. Oh shit.
He's gonna get stung.
Oh nah. Oh nah.
Ben's gonna get stung.
Hey bro. Chill.
Ben's gonna get stung. Oh god.
Hey bro.
Don't put it on the. Hey! Don't put it on the Z. We're working on the. Oh! That was a big fall.
Oh, he's vibing.
Dude, this is a sit up. Poor Bee's just vibing on the ground.
He's the shop bee.
The shop bee. I named him Beaver. Yeah. Chris is still playing with a drill while Zach is doing hard work trying to find the right bolt that will fit onto this bumper. Yay! Also, we decided not to take off the windshield washer reservoir because it's gonna have a bunch of wires hanging down. I don't want them to get caught on anything. I also have to ask these guys' opinions on what I should get next for my car because I don't know what part to do by next. But the bumper does look amazing. But whoa, what do you think you're doing back there? Hey, get out of my sandwich. No, get the bee out of my car. Let the bee.
He's eating a French fry.
Let the bee hang out here. Don't put him on my car.
Where should the bee hang?
Just let the bee hang over there. Out of harm's way.
You want to hang on an Impala?
Like, save the bees, guys. He's hanging on an Impala now. Give him a French fry too, so you can have a nice day. What a guy.
Saving the bees.
Saving the bees. Saving the bees one French fry at a time.
Found a clip that fits.
Oh, really? Does it actually fit? What the hell? Where's the other ones that fit?
Oh, I found them over there.
Oh, that's very unsturdy.
Well, it's gonna be unsturdy till you bolt up by the fender.
The fender. I'm looking at 4 open bolt holes.
Well, I'm saying it will stop doing this.
We should just find some clips that will work.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, so finished product. This is what it looks like right now. In the future, I'll have to make some final touches because, like, this side, for some reason, this hangs down more than that side does. Like, if this side came up like that, it would look perfect. I don't know why this side hangs down so much. I honestly think it's because of this clip. It's so loose.
Yeah.
This clip right here is so loose.
What happened? What happened?
Wahapa.
Huh?
So, it does. I mean, it sucks. That's what you get for buying cheap parts, I guess. But it looks cool. I like how it looks for sure. And now here's the final test.
You're not strapping it?
Not yet.
Not right now.
Dude, that looks really good.
Narcy blows. Definitely looks good. It's literally just this. If we can.
I'm telling you, some zip ties with war magic.
That would look so nice. Like, tell me that would look amazing.
It would look really fucking good.
What is going on here? I'm gonna try to figure that out real quick, guys, but yeah, for right now it looks good though. I like it. Even if I have to run it like that, it's barely noticeable, especially if like I painted the car, it wouldn't look noticeable at all. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. One last thing before we go. Do you guys notice something? Here's the guy. Here's the garage. We got Ben, Zach, and Chris is nowhere to be seen because he just pooped himself. He just sharted. Oh my god, that is the fun. He's sitting in the corner, right? He goes over in the corner. He's sitting down. He farts like 5 times in a row. And he's like, "Oh, I gotta go, I gotta go." And he ran out and just drove away at the speed of light. I've never seen that Audi go so fast. Oh my god, that is comedy. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. The bumper's on. Thanks to Zachary, thanks to Benjamin, and thanks to Krista Ferguson. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and das vidania. Have a nice day.